Right, this is a video for the Math 1 Unit 1 review. Looking at write a function rule that represents the following ordered pairs. So first thing we do is we create a table. And we're going to run out of room here, but if you look, all I need to figure out is the change, right, in between each one. And if you look at it, this one is going to increase by 5. This side increases by 1. So that's our change, or what we call the D. So that's the part that gets multiplied by the variable and then plus something. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and plug in this first one and make sure it comes out true. And if I do plug in a 0, I do get a 0, so that works. So the answer is just that. Number 20. I'm going to do the exact same thing. The table is just going to be horizontal. So if you look at these increase by 12s. Okay. These are increasing by 1s. So same thing, I'm going to say y equals 12x plus a number. Now I'm going to plug it in and figure out what that back number may have to be. So if I plug in a 2, I should get a 12. So, and if I do this, okay, I'm going to solve for that b. b equals negative 12. So my actual answer is y equals 12x minus 12. Number 21. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take this sequence and I'm going to turn it into a table of points. Okay. So I got to write the explicit and the recursive formulas. So I need to find my D, and so these are decreasing by 3. So my D is negative 3. My first term is 9. So my explicit formula is going to be a of n equals a of 1, which is 9, plus n minus 1 d, which in this case is negative 3. My recursive formula is, that's the first term, and this is a of n minus 1 plus d, in this case is negative 3, so you may also see it written as minus 3 like that. Look at this last question. We want to describe the pattern. So if you look at it, here's my first 3 dots. Okay, so they added 2 dots, and this is like the last one. They added 2 dots. So every time they're adding 2 dots, okay, so it is going to increase, okay, by 2 dots. So we want to finish the pattern here. We want to make a table out of this. So if I was to come over here and let me finish the pattern here, I can run out of room. So this is my figure number, and this is the number of dots. So in figure 1 I have 3, in figure 2 I have 5, in figure 3 I have 7, and it continues on. Okay. So as I go through this, I want to, if you look, I'm same thing as I have been doing. I'm going to continue by 2's. Okay. So there is my pattern. Now I'm going to come back and write my recursive formula. So this number right here is my D value. Okay. So this is a of n equals a of n plus 1 plus D, which is 2.